Hey Divi Nation, welcome to another installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new meal kit layout pack we think you'll enjoy, so check it out. With home deliveries growing more popular by the minute, it's time to upgrade your meal kit website with the fresh design it deserves. This meal kit layout pack is perfect for meal kit companies looking to promote their service, sell meal kit packages, share recipes, and much more. Plus, the layouts include vibrant graphics, icons, and images that are of excellent taste and free to use. So go ahead and take it for a spin. All right, now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new meal kit layout pack on your own website. All right, so before we can start accessing these free pre-made layouts in the Divi Builder, we must first make sure and authenticate our Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options and click the Updates tab. There you can make sure that you have your username and API key entered in there, and then click Save Changes. And once that's done, you'll have access to all of our pre-made layouts, including the awesome new meal kit layout pack. After that, your next step is to start creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts from the meal kit layout pack to those pages. Start by going to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout. And from the Load From Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll down and find the Meal Kit Layout Pack and select it. Over on the right, you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack. Feel free to look at each one. When you decide on the one that you want, go ahead and make sure it's selected and click Use This Layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to save or publish it. And you will want to continue the same process to create all of your pages and then add those other corresponding pre-made layouts to each one of those pages. And then once all your pages have been created with those layout packs uploaded to each one, you're ready for the next step, which is to create a new primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and then add them to the menu. Then you can organize the menu items however you like under this menu structure area. And don't forget to make sure that that display location is set to primary menu and then click Save Menu. Now that your new menu has been created, we're ready for the final step, which is to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, select a static page. And then for the home page, select the home page you created with that corresponding home page layout from the Meal Kit Layout Pack. And then click Save Changes. And now your new website is up and running with the new Meal Kit Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Please be sure to give a thumbs up if you liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And make sure you click to get those notifications so that you don't miss out on any upcoming freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.